This is circle theorem made easy. Essentially, when you know these theorems, you are good to go. So you don't want to miss this. Now, look closely at the diagram. The question says, calculate angle STU. Angle STU. So this is angle STU here. So how do we find angle STU? So pay attention to the theorems we would use in finding STU. Now, one of the very first thing I can see is line U down to T is a tangent. That's a tangent. Line US is a chord. So the angle between the chord and the tangent will be equal to the angle formed in the alternate segment. Now, when you consider this chord, you see this part as a segment and you see every other part as another segment. You're looking at one chord at a time. One chord at a time. So I'm looking at chord US. So the angle that is formed in the other segment would always have its base from U and also S. Essentially, the basis of this angle is you must have a tangent, a chord who is starting from the point of contact with this tangent. You can see that this is the point of contact of the tangent. Chord US is also starting from point U. So my point here now is the angle here will be equals to 36 degrees, and the reason is angles in alternate segments. Angles in alternate segments. So angle SUT is equals to 36 degrees. Angles in alternate segments. Angles in alternate segments. Alright, so I have this as 36 degrees. We're almost done. We're looking for this angle here. Let's call this A degrees. Now pay attention. Look at this angle now. Consider this angle here. Let me call your attention to something. VRSU is a cyclic quadrilateral. I've explained this in my previous videos, that a cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral whose vertices is on the circumference of the circle. So when a side of the cyclic quadrilateral is extended further, an angle is formed outside, and that angle is called an exterior angle. So another theorem you need to know is the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior opposite angle. The exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angle. And so the interior opposite, the angle that is opposite to this is this 100 degrees here. So I say angle UST is equals to 100 degrees, and my reason is opposite angles, exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. So I guess we're almost done here, right? Yes. So this is 100 degrees. Now we can find A using sum of angles in triangles. So we say 100 plus 36 plus A equals to 180, and the reason is sum of angles in the triangle. So A equals to 180 minus 136, and so A will give us 42. 180 minus 136 is 44 degrees, and that's the value of A. Look at this. So please click on the subscribe button, follow for more related videos, like and share. I'm going to see you in the next video.